Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the base, cardboard, and axle for your Automata project. So after you have those three pieces modeled, what we need to do is create a new design. For this assembly, we're actually going to use a hybrid design, so some of the tools that we need later will be available to us. So we're just going to hit create, make sure we're in inches like this. The first piece you want to bring in is your base, so find that in your data panel and then drag that into your design here. Make sure that the long edge of your base is on the front side of this assembly. So we're going to click OK. And then we're going to bring in our cardboard like this. And I like to just move mine up and out of the way a little bit because I'm going to joint the middle of this cardboard into that slot. So let's do that next. Let's hit J for joint on our keyboard. I'm going to hold down Control and pick this command point right here. I'm going to rotate and zoom in so I can hover over this inside edge of the slot, hold down Control, and I'm going to pick this snap point, this bottom midpoint here. And that moves my cardboard into the slot, and just make sure that your joint is a rigid joint so it won't move. So now that we have our cardboard and base put together, what we need to do is put our axle in here. So I'm going to bring in my axle like this. It's kind of down here in the middle. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then I'm going to use the joint command to put this end of the axle into the middle of this hole on the side like this, right there. Before I click OK, I'm going to pull the axle out 1 inch to center it. And I'm going to make sure that my motion is a revolute joint like this. So this is essentially the base of your Automata. We have an axle that rotates, and then we have cardboard locked to the base. This is pretty much done for right now. In another video, I'll show you how to add the cam and the follower. Before you move on, it's probably good practice to highlight everything and quick check for interference. And you can revert or capture the position when you do that, and just make sure we have no interferences. So that's how we can assemble the base of our Automata.